So the next look I want to show you is going to be with this big planter, and you can see I have one right behind me too that I keep flowers in. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to start with a plain green boxwood ball and push it into the top so that the succulents have something to stick to, and then the cute greens will show from underneath. So this guy is really large, you can see. So this is going to be perfect for the patio or your front door or something like that. Again, because then you can have these beautiful succulents that you don't have to worry about killing or keeping alive. So I'm going to take this really cool palm leaf we have, and I'm going to take the largest one and place it in the back just to give a lot of extra height. And then once again, I'm going to take this big succulent, that's my favorite one, and stick this right off to the side so you can see it. And really you can keep it as simple or as busy as you want. Like just this looks really pretty, but I'm just gonna keep going here, take our hanging succulent and add that there. That just adds a lot of flair. And then if you want it to look good from both sides, maybe just take one more succulent and place it back here so that from any angle, you're really getting a good succulent look. And then I've also done the same thing over here. This is another cute small one. I've just placed a ball in the center right here, and then the large succulent hanging out because that one's so fun. And then you really could just do as little or as many as you like. So here's what it looks like, just a few succulents. Sorry. And then you can add another ball back here. So from this side, you know, if you kind of want something like that, and then add another little succulent here. You've got endless options just by taking any baskets or anything like that that you already have at home, or we have plenty in the store, and then just adding the green balls or the green succulents, and looks really fun and festive for spring and summer.